Hey Romero, this is Scott with Impact Latent SEO. I'm making this video to kind of show you how we could increase your business using your online presence and also kick SafeLight's butt in getting you more leads for auto glass repairs. It looks like you're an auto body and auto glass shop, so maybe there's multiple ways we can help, but I'm just going to stick with auto glass for the purposes of the video, and then we can move on from there. So, I usually start out with a website, which is not a problem, but it looks like you guys don't have one, which is once again fine. But I'll just start just with a Google search to kind of show you what I do and where I get things ranked and how I help them. So looking at windshield replacement in Salt Lake City, there's SafeLight, then a few other places right here. But the thing is about ads, the best way to get a good click-through rate, instead of SafeLight using broad match terms, having windshield replacement in the ad somewhere, like right here, windshield replacement, and then Salt Lake City next to it would be awesome. That would be the best one right there. But if it's not there, you want as many of the keywords in there as possible. And it doesn't look like anybody's doing that right now. And just to give you kind of an example, just for Salt Lake City, for windshield replacement, there's over 1,300 searches a month. So if you were able to talk to, anywhere from 50 to 100 new people a month, how much would that really benefit your business by just growing just your auto glass side of things? Obviously, there's other ones like that, but like windshield replacement near me, windshield glass replacement, windshield change, those would all be like one ad group because they're grouped thematically, whereas rock chip and windshield repair, those are the same thing, but at the same time, those would also be grouped differently to help you make it there because it's going to be a different thing. So that's one way to really get a good click-through rate, and then landing page experience happens to be the next one, and I could go over that with you next time we talk. But that's just in the ad section. And then this is the Google Business Profile. And it's okay that your GBP is not right there, ranking right here, but there are ways to get it ranked. You could start by making sure your name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet so you don't mislead Google. Getting reviews is great, and there's a little trick I have where I make a QR code, so when you're done, you just have them scan the QR code, it gives you a review, and you're good to go. And then adding branded, geotagged, and geolocated photos weekly is beneficial because it shows Google you're growing your business organic. And then adding your name, address, and phone number into things like Yellow Pages and Yelp is beneficial because Google is like a big popularity contest, and by giving your information to as many people as possible, Google will start to rank you, and that's not just in your local area, but in your surrounding areas as well. And then being in the ad section and the Google Business Profile, about 70% of traffic stops right here, and then the rest goes into the website. And if we look at Two Bros Auto Glass, they're one of your top competitors for that keyword. I'm going to use their website to kind of give you an example of what I'm talking about, but pretty much you want to be found, or you want to have 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage, and throughout that content you want to be found for buyer intent keywords. Windshield replacement in Salt Lake City, that's a great buyer intent keyword because it has the service and also the location. And then with that being said, we could look at the other thing you want to do for your content is if you save your images correctly, instead of it saying R Shutterstock, whatever, it could say like windshield replacements Salt Lake City, and that counts as content because it's embedded behind the photo. And then looking at their website, this is a third-party tool I use. It's called Ahrefs, and it'll show me their analytics. They're currently at 11 and 17 for the DR and UR, which is the strength and trust that Google has for your website. You want these continuously moving up and balanced whenever possible, but they're at 11 and 17 due to their referring pages and domains. And if you don't know what those are, that's pretty much a backlink. And what a backlink is when one website links to another website via clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal, so make sure to stay relevant to your industry and location whenever possible. And then looking at their keywords, windshield replacement Salt Lake City, there's 450 searches each month. They moved into the second position, and they're getting 184 people to their website each and every month just for that one buyer and content keyword. So obviously the more that you're ranking for and the more that you're on the top 1, 2, or 3, the more people are coming to your website. And when you have buyer intent keywords, like most of these ones are, that means more people are going to be purchasing from you as well. So with that being said, once you have a website that has the buyer intent keywords, those authoritative backlinks and citations, a percentage of these total volumes will start to go to your website instead of your competitors. And a percentage of the people going to your website will give you a call, and depending on your closing rate, will turn into a customer for you. So Romero, I really hope that I showed you what I can do and how we can help you grow your business and kick SafeLight's butt, especially when it comes to Google Ads. And so if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Have a good one. Bye.